everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the pile hitch. The pile hitch is a simple but effective method to tie a hitch knot to a post. It's a hitch knot that's tied on the bight, or could be tied with a pre-tied large loop. To tie the pile hitch, begin by forming a bight in your working line. You'll need a reasonable amount of line in order to pass it entirely around your post. Pass your bight once around the post and under the standing part of your working line. From there, open the bight and pass the loop over your post and then cinch up the knot. Let's take a look at the pile hitch from a different angle. But first, I want to tell you about a new project I've been working on. It's called the Knot School. The Knot School is a private community for people who are serious about learning knots. Inside the Knot School, we have exclusive curated content, reduced advertising and spam, an engaged community showing, telling, and helping each other learn, and other membership perks, including discounts and other projects in development. The Knot School will be launching soon, and right now we're accepting a limited number of new members for early admission. You can find a link to the sign-up form in the description of this video and as a pinned comment in the comments below. I hope to see you there. Now, let's have another look at the pile hitch. You can see that the pile hitch is very easy to tie around a post, and it's surprisingly effective. Even after it's been loaded, this hitch knot is easily untied. Of course, there are a lot of different hitch knots, and if you'd like to see others, then I recommend my short video called 20 Essential Hitch Knots. I'll put a link in the description and also at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.